This futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Monday. Hope everyone's had a great weekend and ready for a great week. So let's look at the markets of the night, shall we? Yeah, we're coming up some after a pretty stagnant night, and then boosting up here. Looks like our low. You can see we gapped up at the open too. We gapped up on ES by like 10. We gapped up on NQ by like 30. So our low looks like it was 50.009.5, and our high last hour 50.36. So about 27 points in range there. NQ low 195.75. High 314.25, so 95, about 120 points in range. Early morning math. Copper having a great day. Well, had a great night, then came down, up, down, kind of roller coaster-ish, but lots of volatility. 160 ticks in range there. Gold not having a good day. Big drop. Big drop. Looks like 50 points, 52 points. Big move on gold. Ultra Bond also having a big drop, about a point range there. Crude oil, big drop, got below 81, popping back up, now pulling back. Looks like we have about 140 ticks in range there. And then Bitcoin starting to recover, got down below 60K on Friday, back up to almost 66. So that's where we sit standing, whatever body posture you're choosing to take today. We get ready to play the feud. Let's get some action here. You see right now our bands are tight as heck. Only 8 points between them, so we're kind of choppy. We had a nice little move down, but see, it's trying to push back up, but don't like it. I don't like it. I don't love it. I don't want some more of it. Could have taken that blue, but with this, I didn't trust it. See, it's kind of grinding up there, but it would have been a good play, but we'll wait for the next one. Watching it grind. News today. Do we have any news today? Start spreading the news. Chicago National Activity Index at 8:30, as well as Canadian PPI. And 10 o'clock Eurozone consumer confidence flash. Flash. Up a little bit, down a little bit. Nothing to write home about a little bit. Could be a choppy Monday. That news that's coming up isn't much to move the market. Market might be needing to take a little breath from what happened on Thursday and Friday. Okay, so it's grinding down here. I mean, I got a purple candle there, but it wasn't really the most noteworthy purple candle in the world. Yeah, it's there. There we go. Still grinding down. Still coming down. Trying to pop a little bit here, about 17,270. 259 was an earlier resistance. I mean, or support, whatever. We just hit 264. Still hanging here at 265. Gold trying to pop a little bit. Crude still falling. Oh, there's a little burst down to 258. Let's see if that's our double bottoms. It's about where we dropped down to a couple hours ago, I believe it was. Let's look. Volume spike there. Still falling. Another 253. Oh, that didn't work. Damn it. I was a candle early. Darn it. That's okay. Got the next one. Still pushing down. Dow falling. ES. Oh, ES is on a 5-minute chart? Why am I doing that? Trying to grind back up. I want to thank everyone for joining me today. If you're hanging out there waiting for an entry or whatever, I appreciate you take a little moment to gore that like button. Gore that like button. Let YouTube know you're enjoying the stream. Hey, Rod, how you doing? Hey, Speed Racer. Good morning. Still hanging around this 252 low. Let's quickly switch to a 5-minute. You can see we're at this low. Our next low resistance is 233. You can see that's in a pretty important area. You can see how many times it bumped there, back there, and then 200 would be another area. That's an obvious area. 200. So we'll keep that line there. How is the weekend, gentlemen? It's all right. There's a pop-up. Back up to 260. Nice bounce on gold. Crude's a bit choppy. So we got a little bit of news coming up in 10 minutes. So back up to 262. So about a 10, 13 point bounce here. Let's see where we go from here. Pulls back a tad. Ooh, purple candle. Hang in there. Pops back up. Hanging right on the EMAs, trying to figure out where it wants to go. And a purple candle. Or it's trying. There we go. Maybe some momentum down. Or not. Grinding on that 9 EMA. Bounces. And back up. Choppy morning. Not really choppy, but grindy, I guess you could say. Had these just slight moves up by like 5 or 10 points, but nothing to write home about. Blue candle, more wick than body. Hey, CVR, how you doing? Pop there. See some, ooh, that's a nice pop, actually. So we're back up to 260. Boring morning so far. We got news in a couple minutes, not big news, so I don't know how much it's really going to help us. Ooh, are you okay? Yeah, that's the biggest problem with trading both micros and minis is you forget to change the quantity. I've blown and earned a trade account that way. Coming back down. Waiting for the see what the news does, if anything. There's the news, and we don't see any real pop. Hey, Nico, how's it going? Grinding down. Ugh. So far, this isn't really a great trading environment. Hopefully, it gets better. A little less than an hour to the bell. Little pop there. Little pop of flowers. Oh, sorry. Tight range over the last, well, since we started the stream, basically. Just waiting for an opportunity. Dropping again. Again, these aren't real big drops. Reminder, folks, for those of you who might trade in the evening, we're having an evening stream tonight. We're long on this blue candle. See if we can break through that upwards resistance of 66. We're at 65 half. That might have been a bad trade. There we go, maybe. Still can't get through there. That was a bad decision on my part to take that blue candle there. But it's still trying. Morning, Chris. How are you? Oh, there we go. Back to my entry. Now can it break through that resistance? 67, 68. A couple more. Target hit. There we go. That worked out nice. I thought for sure we were going to get stopped out. Instead, we got our 6.25. Nice rise up to 271. Still going up. Wow, look at this. Where'd this come from all of a sudden? Nice move up. Did not take that second blue candle. I have a feeling I should have. Yeah, I should have. I would have got what I wanted there. That's okay. Nice little wow. Hmm. Don't see any news popping, so I'm not sure where that little brilliant little boost came from. Chris came in. Maybe he caused the market to come up. It came down by 3 candles on the 15-second. Now popping back up with another blue. Trying to get back up to 17,300. High of the overnight, 315, 314? Yeah, 314. ES also close to its overnight high, which is last hour actually, 50.36 half. Dow at its high today. A 1-1 loss on the MyFundedFutures account here. We're down just by commission. They canceled each other out besides the commission. There's 300. It's touching 300. Hit 301. Hit 302 actually. Leveling out here right around 300. CBR, you mean like an automated strat? Uh, would I lose viewers? That's a good question. I don't know if I'll lose viewers. I think I'll get a lot of, hey, how do I get that? If it's working, I think I'll get a lot of, hey, how much for that strat? Can I buy it? Can I, how do I get it? And I don't think if I found if someone coded my strat for me, I don't think I'll ever feel comfortable with wanting to make it like commercially available. So I think that would be the main issue is people get frustrated like I'm not willing to share it when it's more of a I don't want people to blame me if something goes wrong, they lose money, etc. I mean, what an automated strat could do for me would be able to actually be able to like I could have the stream running longer without commentary. Up and down here. Looks like it wants to come down. Hey John, how you doing? Excellent, John. Excellent. So we touched 302, 300, and kept touching 300 a few times. Now it's coming down, but slowly. A little less than 45 minutes till the bell. Still falling here. Not afraid of falling, but I hate it on the ground. We're long off that blue candle. Tight stop. Nice. Yeah, Dow's definitely not as popular anymore. Are you really going to pause one tick from my target? Is that what you're really going to do? Actually, you hit my target but didn't fill me. Come on. Oh, man. So the algo doesn't seem to like when gold comes down. It likes it when it goes up. Move my stop to above break even here, so if it comes down on me, it's gonna. There we go. Never mind. Target hit. There we go. 2 in a row. Another blue candle. Yeah, it's coming down. Luckily, I didn't take that blue candle. Another blue candle. Still grinding up, but struggling at that 300. Let's see if it breaks through. It did. So I didn't trust them, but these would have grinded up nicely. So we're 2 out of 3 so far this morning. Coming up on the 9 o'clock hour, 8 o'clock my time. April showers bring great sales for futures prop traders. First up, Apex, 80% off and no minimum trading days. Buy today, pass today, be trading funded tomorrow. Topstep, one step, one rule pricing, $49 for 50K. Easiest eval in the industry. Bulenox, 2 great sales, 90% off intraday accounts, first month only, or 83% off intraday accounts. That's recurring for a lifetime until you pass or cancel. And Earn to Trade, 50% off their new 10-day challenges. All subscriptions, including the TCP 50. Great deals. All links and codes for these sales are in the video description below. Morning, RJ. Good morning, G-Man. Welcome, gentlemen. How was your weekend? Gold dipping back down to 23.50. Oil opens here in about 5. Just trying to hang on to 81. Oops. I was 2 for 3 this morning so far. Let's keep building on that. Uh, Not that I've heard, Speed Racer. I think you're still supposed to pay the PA fees within 48 hours. Oh, you don't? Hey, N pounds. They don't do that anymore. I was trying to remember if someone said that they didn't do that anymore, or if they did. Well, welcome to the stream. Do you know if there's a time limit now? N pounds? Ooh, nice pop. Okay, cool. Thank you for that. There we go. This is why this community is great. When I don't have answers, other people do. Thank you guys for chiming in. And good morning, Matt Moxie. And Pounds, I don't recognize your name, so if I've forgotten you, I apologize. I blame the early onset Alzheimer's. If I haven't forgotten you and you're new, welcome and thank you for contributing. So there you go. There you go. Okay, sounds like both of you are saying the same thing. Nico and Pounds is saying the same thing. So there you go. Speed Racer, just keep you'll have to keep paying the subscription cost. So whatever you're paying for the sub, you'll still need to pay that. December 20th. Oh wow. Well, thank you for your support. Always feel free to chime in, say hello. But obviously don't feel the need to. I know some people prefer to just concentrate on their trading and stay silent and don't have to chat, or don't have to type in the chat. So I gotta ask Nico, why have you been holding one that long? It's almost at the top of the hour. Okay. Did not get faked out by that blue candle. I forgot about it. Hope that was one of the 90% deals that you're holding. Gotta know when to hold them. Ooh, nice blue candle. Touches the band though. We're kind of choppy. Top of the hour. Let's see where we go. NQ struggling to get above 300. Got above up to 303, but it's kind of hanging here. There you go. Still rising. Rising up. Yeah, John. I feel sorry for White Sox fans. I'm not sure they could beat most AAA teams. Turnbull took a no-hitter into the 7th inning. Pulled back. Actually, no, Ricardo Pinto gave up those 5. All in the 9th inning. He'll be gone when Taijuan Walker comes back. Now, Turnbull has a 1.23 ERA, and yet when Walker comes back, and Walker's not even touching 90 in his rehab assignments, but Walker's going to come back, and Turnbull's going to go to the bullpen. There we go. There's toward the top again. It's struggling. Just 305 there, 304 there. I guess they don't want to keep him in the rotation just because of the number of innings he's thrown in the last few years. They don't want to increase his innings by that much all at once. Pulls back. So again, cannot break this. Keeps moving up by a couple of points. 305 seems to be the high now. 314 is the overnight high. Excuse me 1 second. Back. Push it down here. I want to thank everyone for joining me again today. Again, if you haven't already, I would appreciate if you would gore that like button. Let YouTube know that you enjoy the stream, enjoy the channel. And as I always say, if you're lurking, always feel free to say hello in the chat. We're about 25 minutes until the bell. Both G-Man and yeah, my mind just froze. RJ, G-Man and RJ came in and said hello and then disappeared again. Just kidding, guys. I know you guys like to focus. Focus. Keep it trading. Just trying to pop up again. Pulls back. Hanging on the EMA. Ooh. Down. There you go. Thank you, Nico. Very tight. ATR's down to 2.3. Choppy Monday morning. ETF has just announced all evals are 70% off. I don't even think I have the ETF link down there. And it's lifetime. Give me a second on that. It's today only, I believe. Yeah, valid until 9 a.m. Eastern time tomorrow morning. There we go. Crude Earth 70. Probably not any better. While we're chopping around, I can plug in the numbers. Give me a second. I got the spreadsheet for that. It makes their 50K $49.50 for the intraday and $88.50 for the end of day on the 50K account. They also have a couple statics, but with low drawdowns. Like one's 625 and one's 1250. With the amount of drawdown, not $6.25. Oh, John Burrell Investments just got notification he's been put on a live account with Uprofit. So we are always wondering whether Uprofit puts people live, and guess what? They do. We're still chopping around here. My mama told me we're gonna chop around. Yes, John, it was an outage with everybody. Everybody was reporting it. Yeah, there was an issue. I might not have just been TradeDay because I I had an outage on Topstep X as well. Honestly, I didn't check Rhythmic. Still chopping around here. That purple candle is the only thing that might have been worth it in 15 minutes to the bell. Sorry. Tell when I'm doing things in the background when I start making weird noises. Well, I do wish everyone a happy Earth Day today. Give me a minute here. By the way, the one account at ETF that is really unique is their Diamond Hands account. It's the most expensive one, but It allows you to swing trade, including holding over the weekend. There you go. Okay. Yeah, what did I miss while I was setting that up? Nothing. We're still choppy with about 13 minutes to develop. Still no ace. Where is ace? But that Diamond Hands account. Whoa, and it's only 109 bucks. Is a You can hold overnight and weekends. It's an end of day drawdown. Uh, no scaling rule, etc. Um, it's a $5,000 profit target with a drawdown of $3,500 and a daily loss limit of $1,500. Max position's a 2. So it'd be hard to hit that daily loss limit unless you're really kind of trading badly. That is one of the few swing trading accounts that are offered in the future space. I think it's the only one right now that allows you to hold on weekends as well. I couldn't hold over a weekend myself. I would be too nervous every time I see something going on that, like last night we saw that gap up 30 points at the open. But if that's something that's interests you, 109 bucks for that account is the cheapest I think I might have ever seen it. Oops. Wow, I never knew that was there. Actually, I just clicked on a calendar. Apparently, you can just jump right to a certain date on a chart. I never knew that. Anyway, I don't know, blue candle there. Just it's chop. 307 we finally got up to there, but you can see it's kind of a grind up. I mean, eh, hopefully get some excitement after the bell. Still grinding up. Morning, Ace. Thought you maybe slept in or something. How was the weekend? My weekend was all right. Also, for those of you that have Topstep X, micros are now 10-1 like they should be. Oh, so did I. Wow. Not that I really got a, well, I got a signal in the 30-second. Nice drop back down to 290. Haven't really trusted anything this morning because, it's really choppy. Wow, spike. Wow. 5 minutes till the bell. Just trying to pop back up some. Give me a second. I'm working on promotion. Just a couple minutes to the bell. Thank you, Ace. Good luck to all. I do have some news at the top of the hour, so be aware of that. In case I forget, you can all remind me. At 10 o'clock, Eurozone consumer confidence flashes us. Rude. 40 seconds. Pops up. About 13 points. Still going. Still choppy. Can't decide what to do. Giving back the entire 15-second opening, 15-second blue candle. Down we come. Down goes NQ. Coming down, riding those vans. Purple candle. Don't trust them. Yeah, maybe I should because Ace is short. Yeah, purple candle went away anyway. Yeah, it would have been a decent candle up there to take now if you see it, but that's okay. That's okay. Grab the next. Falling fast. Great call, Ace. I don't know where he got in at, but seeing what that candle just did, I'm going to assume he's doing well. Nice fall here down to 269. Ooh, big bounce real quick. Wow, 20 points back up on NQ. Yeah, Sniper got that runner. quick whip back up. Just trying to push back up here. Unsure of itself though. We're above my signal line. But, choppy. The open was supposed to stop our choppiness. I demand a refund. Heading back up. We've been struggling to get through 307. That's been the high of the morning since we started to stream. 314 was the overnight high on NQ. Looks like it might be trying to make a run for that now. Make a run for the water. Back up 305 and then more. Now, so it's failed several times now to get up to the overnight high. Almost feels like it wants to just like dead drop now. You can see we're back down to 274 that quick. I bet you G-Man's probably played a couple of those on ES now. So I'm not seeing as obvious of a hit there on ES now that I look at it. That's interesting. All right, nice, Ace, nice. No runner again, though, Ace. Reminder, folks, if you're going to be around this evening, we'll be streaming this evening, 7 to 9 Eastern. Join me for 2 hours of hot Asia action. Can totally tell it's unsure what it wants to do. I think it wants to go short. struggled at that same area. Dang it. Nice bounce. Should have took it for the 18 ticks. Let's see if it comes back down for me. Maybe it will. Nope. Nope, stopped. Okay. Dang it. What the heck did I just do? Nice pop back up. Trying again to break that. Well, no, it's only at 290. So can it get up? Now, if you're gonna follow my trades, I'm gonna make my this chart a little bit bigger over here. I've switched over to micros on this account for now. Still gonna be working off the 15-second chart. But you'll see the micro trades over here. 5 micros is the goal for now. Still choppy. This is not a fun play, maybe. Well, let's see. Blue candle. Try to break that top. It's running into that 100 EMA. Ooh, not mean to hit the mic. Still rising back up. Got above that 100 EMA. It's touching 300. 314 the overnight high, 307 the high since we started streaming. 307's been the wall that it can't get through. And coming back down. So again, hit 307 again. I should have played 307. I should have played the short. Look at that fall. It's hit 307 for like 3 or 4 different times. short. Nope. Pops it right back up. Stopped out. Damn it. Chop City. Rising back up. Is it going to break 307 this time? Hasn't gotten to 300 yet, so. Just hit 300 again. Making a run. Again, failed. Got 305. I refuse to take any long trade here until it proves it can break 307. Because it's failed multiple times. There we go. There's 310. Now overnight highs 314. 314 half. Hit 314. Let's see if we're double topping or if we're going to actually break phone through to the other side. Boom. 319. There's 323. So it's our new daily high. Now let's see if it can sustain this or it's going to come back down. Pulling back. Nope, continuing up. There we go. See you tomorrow, CBR. Have a great day. Short off that purple candle on the 15-second chart. I gotta blow up the 20. Move I stop. There. Let's see. Nope. Doesn't want to seem to break through here though. There we go. Falling. There we go. Pulsing. Coming back. I don't believe it. Wow. 318. It got down to where? 310. Didn't even go 10 points for me. Come on. Come on back down. There we go. Back toward my entry. Struggling with that 20 EMA. Yeah. Coming back down. Choppiness again. Purple candle, the 5. feel like it still wants to drop. News coming up in about 5 minutes. Flashed by the consumer confidence in the Eurozone. There we go. Still that bounced off that 20 on the 5. Dang it. Should have taken profit, probably. It's fighting to come down, though. You gotta fight. There we go. Boom. Finally. We'll take that. So that was a win. Not as much as I had hoped, but 9 points. And bounces back up. Ace is probably, he might be back in from the bus. Ace, school soon done, like a month or so. Coming back down, or trying. Yeah, choppy morning. We're getting chopped out a little bit. Hey, Cossack, how's it going? Ooh, big drop. Back down to 296. So back under 300. Still dropping. Dropping like it's hot. Dropping like it's hot. Anyone listen to the new Taylor Swift album? Yes, she does. Nice pop. Back from bust duty, Ace. Blue candle on the 5. That went away. Oh, so that the 5, so the 32nd. Coming back down. Not getting sustained motion up, and so now you're starting to see that we're trending downward. Although the 5-minute chart really doesn't give us much. Yeah, actually, a great play on the 5-minute right there. Yeah. Oh, how about you try a longer school go? About a month? Candles are small right now. Like the smallest candles that ever lived. Feels like we're waiting for a fortnight for another entry. Because we all members of the tortured traders department. Chop Fest City, USA. Chop Fest City, USA. Missed that. Right before Memorial Day. You have a summer vacation planned this year, Ace? You gonna go steal more mangoes in Puerto Rico? That's weird. The chat just disappeared on my phone. It's odd. There we go. Ooh, Vegas. With or without the kids? Viva Las Vegas. Struggling to come back up here. Got down to 273 here. Back here, we got down to the same area, 270. Shouldn't insult your family's medical condition with their legs. Isn't it already like 120 degrees in Vegas by June? Whoa, whoosh. Down to 263. Popping up. Consider taking that blue candle. Ugh. Should have. I'm still hesitating way too much. Hey, Jay, how's it going? You, Ace, you can probably run naked in Vegas and people wouldn't notice. Let's see, Jay, you should have finals coming up, or do you already have finals? And how's the internship search going? I mean, it's got to be called a strip for a reason. Hack anything interesting? I'm hoping you talk about computers and not like a bloodbath. Nice bounce there on the Dow. Gold hanging around 2350. About 100 points off its all-time high now. Wait, I thought hackathons mean you're trying to hack stuff. Like a white hat hacker type dealio. FYI, I hate today's price action. 100% hate it. Hate it. That's interesting. Hope you at least enjoyed it. Back down. Can it break through 263? The answer to that question is a quick yes. Awesome, Jay. And bouncing back up. Hi, fun show. I mentioned P&L at the end of the stream. Yes, when I take a trade, you're able to see it on my screen. It pops up where my entry was and then where I take profit or stop out. But P&L only at the end of the stream. I talk more in ticks and points instead, because when you focus too much on money, it ends up messing, at least for me, and from what I understand, most people, once they realize it, messes with your psyche when you're looking at money, especially if you're using like more than one contract. You're welcome. Still falling here. That purple candle there was my trigger, and I did not take it. No, you're fine, Funcho. No one's. I totally understand the question. You're good. Uh, I get that question a lot, and I used to show my P&L, and it just there's a psychological thing to it. Trading while streaming is hard to begin with, but like you get down red and you start feeling pressure to get it back on the stream, and it can just continue to snowball. Yeah, I don't like the price action. So I think he can. I think Jay is a mod on his other account. Although actually a screenshot. Well, he could post a link to a screenshot. Continuing to grind down. 252 is the low. So let's quickly switch to our 5-minute chart. And now you see we are, and you can see here it's interesting how we blew up at the open. Well, yeah, from the open up, and then right here was a reversal, and we've been really coming down since it tried to pop back up on the news at top of the hour and hasn't been able to. Down's been the direction, but it's a grind, a slow grind with small candles. The Torture Traders Department. I should like hashtag that. I'm always curious, Fun Show, how did you find the stream? Did YouTube recommend it, or did you find me someplace else? And folks, if you're enjoying the stream, appreciate if you hit that, or should I say, gore that like button. Let YouTube know you're enjoying it. And we come down to 240. Well, just the low of the morning. Overnight low though, 195. We're dropping like it's hot. Dropping like it's hot. Dropping like it's hot. And just broke that line I drew for resistance from way back when. Still falling down to 230. That's where I start getting frustrated with myself, not taking these triggers. One day I'll break that mental. Okay, so I'm trying to figure out why YouTube let him post that link on that account because he's not a mod. Yeah, I'm surprised that allowed you. Usually YouTube blocks it, which means I got to be careful to make sure that something I didn't accidentally turn something off somewhere. Down to 213. Remember, I said, well, low is 195. We might get there. Mad that I'm not in this, but now I don't want to. Now I don't want to try and jump in at the lows either. Oh, okay. Well, no, it's not showing you the wrench. I swear I made you a mod at one point. Still falling. Is it going to bounce on 200 or break? I mean, you've been here since like my first stream ever. That was even on Twitch. Still falling. There's low day. 190. Market's sad now. Seems like it's leveling out here just for a couple of minutes here at 190. Ooh, back down to 186. It's a 187 on longs and on NQ. Or from Taylor Swift, old school gangster rap. Although on the new Taylor Swift album, there might be more F words than some of the old school gangster rap. Good morning, Burl. You have a couple of questions in the Discord about your Uprofit thing, if and when you get a chance. I know you're probably working, so I just wanted to make you aware. Is Uprofit charging you data fees on your new live account? By the way, we all want to congratulate Burl. He got moved to a live brokerage account on Uprofit. We're long off that blue candle on 15. Let's see what happened. Yeah, the 15-second, not the 15-minute. Let's see here. Let's move this up. I can't move it up. Dang it. Ah. Yeah, looks like it might not have been ready to come up yet. We'll see. You can see my trade there, top right-hand corner. Boom. I'm on 5 micros. Boom. Target hit, 15 points. 192.25 to 207.25. 15 points on 5 micros. Are they charging you data fees, or don't you know that yet either, Burrow? Did they move your balance over, or do you start over, or how does that work? Nice move back up, continuing up here. I could have taken that blue candle again. I'm copying. I'm copying what you're saying, Pearl, to the Discord because people are asking questions there. That way, you don't have to answer at same places twice. So I know you trade that account slowly with micros and all, or I assume that's what you're doing. So stupid question, and we're dropping here. Pull back. Does that account do enough to sustain if you do get charged data fees? Because the data fees are like 130 a month. Burrows are Uprofit guinea pig because I wasn't ever sure if they even moved people to live accounts. So I appreciate this research you're doing for MightyOxTrading. Hanging at 204, just above 200. I bet you didn't know 204 was just above 200, did you? I realized how stupid that sounded as it was coming out of my mouth. Grinding down 201. Uprofit's communication leaves something to be desired. Does on the affiliate side as well. They do have a Discord, Burl. I don't know if that'll be any help. That would make sense. We have really slowed down here. Reminder, one day only, 70% off all evals at Elite Trader Funding. For those of you who are wondering about P&L, right now I'm at, it's a devastating loss for me on the morning. Don't know if maybe I'll even want to continue. I'm down $7.32. It's slowly trying to grind back up. So never broke 200. Oh yeah, it did. I lie. That's right. It got down to lows. Never mind. I can't remember what happened just 9 minutes ago. My God. That's what happens when you get old, folks. That would have been a great candle to take down. I got to get more in tune to this. You see the green and the ultimate RSI, purple candle coming out of the bands. That's like one of my ultimate setups, and I just didn't take it. I didn't see it. That's one of my biggest problems is noticing things in real time, and I don't know why I have that issue. I got to get better at that. And, that wouldn't have been. I mean, it wouldn't have been a big drop, but it would have been 10 points. But right back up. Well, as always, my hotkeys aren't working. Or else I would have took this long. I think it's weird that I need to have this keyboard software up in order for my hotkeys to work. So it got up to 27. Pulls back a tad. Damn it. Oh yeah, that's not good. Again, I didn't take that purple candle. Boom. Am I an idiot or what? Okay. I'll blame that one on Walmart. I have a Walmart order in, and I need to check to see if they are putting substitutions yet. Right back up. So it's coming down 10, popping back up, coming down 10, popping back up. Nice rise back up. That's a 737. Pulls back a tad. Leveling out a bit. $15 minutes to go in the stream. April showers bring great sales for futures prop traders. First up, Apex, 80% off and no minimum trading days. Buy today, pass today, be trading funded tomorrow. Topstep, one step, one rule pricing, $49 for 50K. Easiest eval in the industry. Bulenox, two great sales, 90% off intraday accounts, first month only, or 83% off intraday accounts. That's recurring for a lifetime until you pass or cancel. And Earn to Trade, 50% off their new 10-day challenges. All subscriptions, including the TCP 50. Great deals. All links and codes for these sales are in the video description below. Hey, Kosik, ETF is good. Nice bounce here. Um, their overall regular prices are more expensive than most places, so the 70% off isn't as big of a discount. But they have all different types of accounts. Their most unique account is their Diamond Hands account, which allows you to actually swing trade if you want. You can hold overnight, over weekends, all that fun stuff. But yeah, they're good. I recently added them back. They and I had some disagreements in the past, but those have been ironed out. Pop them back up. They allow 3 accounts. They do have a path to live. It's a case-by-case basis. Justin Eck from the Discord is live on Elite Trader Funding. They probably have the most variety of account types. They have intraday, they have end of day, they have 2 small statics, they have fast tracks, and they have that diamond hands. So I'm just trying to grind back up. You can see this has just been a choppy, choppy morning. I've missed some opportunities, obviously. I need to get my head together and take these obvious ones. So for as choppy as today was, I mean, obviously I should have done better, but the fact that I'm only down $7 means I navigated it decently. How's everyone else doing? Red, green, or somewhere in between? Fallen? Back down to 202. Nice, RJ. 6 points. You gotta feed your family 3 times, according to Ace. TradeDay dropped their minimum trading days from 10 to 7 today, starting today. Fun fact, I have never had a sale on TradeDay as an affiliate. That would be awesome. Ooh, big drop. Down to 190, 189. What was our low over here? 182. Don't blink. I need to cut the night bots back some. That's getting obnoxious. Look at that. Just new low a day. See, I planted a 9 EMA on my chart, and it's interesting. If I had taken this purple candle right here, and there was no reason for me not to, I don't think. It was, okay, let's say take this one here instead. I just followed this down and let the 9 EMA be my guide. 215 down, it hit a low of 168. So that's what, 47 points. And now it's coming up and a green candle forming above, so it could have gave back 10. But that would have been perfect. Of course, it would have been perfect if I just took that purple candle and that purple candle and that purple candle and that purple candle. I'm close. One day these will be automatic where I'll just hit a button and not even think about it. It's hanging here, trying to figure out where it wants to go. It's like back down. 168's the low. Oh. There's a new low, 167. Just trying to push back up. We went long. So late long though, I admit that. So let's see what happens. Late long based on my strat, I should say, I guess. There we go. That's working. It was. Nice. I am on a diet, so I am trying to reduce my size. Out. Um, the NFU account, I went down to micros because I got down. I was dealing with drawdown issues. So we are gonna finish. We are gonna finish green by 22 bucks today. But yeah, I went down to micros just because of my drawdown on the MyFundedFutures account. Yeah, John. Well, he's still young. He has a chance, but he has never been able to harness his control with that fastball, which is what a lot of flamethrowers have issues with. He would probably be best for the bullpen, but almost seems like a waste of talent. But anyway, we have reached the top of the hour. I do want to thank everyone for joining me. Like I said, $22.78 ended up being my profit. So, but I did drop down. I think I was down. Let me look at this real quick. Yeah, at one point I was down 349, so I coming back and making this green ended up being a win, a win in itself. Yep, that's right. We'll be back tonight for a stream this evening, 7 p.m. Eastern time. See you then. If not, see you tomorrow morning. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day. Bye. Oops. This future wrong screen. Today's live stream. Remember, we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day.